I got him. Led by the light. I got him. I got him. Up like a douche, another runner in the night. I got him. Led by the light. I got him. I got him. Up like a douche, another runner in the night.
This is a 1987 Chevy Caprice LS Brougham. This is my boy Pete car. He got a YouTube channel. It's 87 space Chevy space Caprice. I had met him off MB channel on YouTube. I think MB was doing a center console for him, and I seen he was local, so he had hooked up with me, asked me will I paint his car for him. So I said yeah, I'll paint it. So we've been talking back and forth probably about a year. So he finally brought it up here to me. He's going with a tri-stage pearl. It's gonna be a dark maroon with a white pearl on it. I'm gonna walk around the car for you, show you how it looks before I get started. He had started doing a little priming himself, but I'm gonna take all that off and fix all the little dings. I'm gonna put a new top on it for him. He going with a gray canvas, and he done took some of the trim off. He still got it. I just got to put it back on for him. And he done put the front bumper filler on. It's in decent shape. The only thing, this door, I'm gonna have to get another door because he said he had ran into where he was pushing the car and it hit a pole at the gas station, so it damaged it. I probably try to fix this fender, but the door we're gonna have to get another one. It's roped off right now, so he got the opera lights. He just took them off. Let me crank it up for you. I'll show you how the inside looks. Mike can't see it because the sun kind of blurring it. Inside look decent too. See, that's the door we're gonna have to fix. You can't even see the back. There you go. He got a third brake light too he want me to install. Sound good too. I know everybody want the updates on my Caprice, but I just stopped working on it because it's my car, so I work on it whenever I get motivated, and I ain't done nothing to it in years, but I still got it. I got it sitting over here. Last thing I done to it was putting them bucket seats in. That's it, but it's sitting right here. Been covered up. That's it there. But I'm gonna get back on it eventually. My last video had got cut short because the battery died. But I was saying, once I get through with all these projects that I done took on, I'm gonna finish my box Chevy. I also gotta do my Benz. I'm gonna do my Benz once I finish this. But I got other little projects I done took on too that I'm gonna be doing in between. Let me take you inside. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I'm doing. Well, some of the stuff that I'm about to do. I got some fiberglass work that I'm doing now. I'm doing a rear deck. I'm finishing up on this. I'm gonna do 2 door panels. This going in a 96 Impala. I got 2 door panels I'm gonna do. I also got 2 door panels in the Escalade I gotta do. And these the rims going on the Benz. I'm gonna paint them black. That's the fender to the Benz. I got this engine cover I need to paint. I'm gonna paint it black, flat black, and silver. But I'm gonna go on and get back motivated. Start putting these videos out. I appreciate everybody staying tuned and supporting. But I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing. Just be on the lookout for a lot of videos coming up. Before I go, I just wanted to show y'all my other project I never showed y'all. It's a 1984 Cutlass Supreme Brougham. I've been having this for like 2 years. I just got it and just let it sit up. But I'm gonna work on this whenever I get through with my box Chevy. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I'm finna start going hard on these projects. It's in pretty good shape. You just need a paint job, for real. It's the dash, door panels. I got one of the door panels off. Headliner. I got a Panoramic. I think I'm gonna put this in my box Chevy. I'm gonna take the sunroof out of it and put this in. I got all the parts over here for it. The switch and the headliner. They go to the bill. I got the Monte Carlo. It's sitting back here. I just paint cars and let them sit. I had this sitting outside at first, as you can tell. I just brought it in here. But I just wanted to show y'all this here. Just stay tuned.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.